friends, and welcome to Science Ago! Happy Pi Day! In today's video, we're going to be looking at a very simple magnet experiment which helps us calculate pi. So let's begin. But not this pi. This pi. For this experiment, we need a thin ribbon, a ruler to measure the ribbon's length with. Keep in mind to not measure the parts of the ribbon that will be covered by you and the magnets later on. Now we need two magnets, which I'm gonna grab from my whiteboard. Getting to the main part now. To calculate pi, we are going to make a pendulum out of these magnets, as so. So now let's talk about what we're really doing here and how it really works. To calculate pi, we are going to use this formula, which is for the time period of a pendulum. Here, t is the time period of the pendulum calculated in seconds, L is the length of the string calculated in meters, and g is acceleration due to gravity in meters per second squared. We calculated the length of the string to be 0.218 meters and gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meters per second squared. Now we can rearrange for pi like so. Now let's return back to our experiment. We swing the pendulum like this and record the time it takes to go for once. To get a more precise time, we used an online video editor. Here's the measured half-time period. So one time period over here would be 0.937 seconds, which is the double of our half-time period. Plugging in these values, here's a review of the measurements we got for these variables. Now this is what our formula looks like when we plug in the values. It's now time to grab the calculator and see what we get. Yo! For us, the accuracy of this is 99.96%, which is quite accurate. It's very high. Hey, that was fun, wasn't it? So, happy Pi Day! Thank you for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. We love this number because pi, it's everywhere. From the perfect circles in geometry to the curves of the universe. It shows up in quantum physics, probability, and even fractals. Comment down below if you know any more interesting facts. That's all for this video. Bye bye!